It's cold.
Classic Truck Rescue. It's cold. We're probably going to have bad sound quality because it is a bit windy. That's why I've got 2 cameras set up. Hopefully one of them will get a good soundtrack. But anyways, I think it was last summer, Jamie and I went and looked at a collection of trucks that belonged to Eric. You remember Eric, 57 Chevy guy. And he had 3 Suburbans. I have a 55 GMC carryall, which is GMC's version of the Suburban, but it needed a complete row of seats, which I've been on the hunt for
ever since I've known you.
Ever since Jamie's known me. And between Eric's 3 Suburbans, he had a full set of seats. But I had to buy all 3 Suburbans and really had to scrape to make that happen. My plan was to buy all 3 Suburbans, recoup my investment by selling a couple of them, and I'd wind up with the stuff that I needed to restore my 55 GMC. Well, I put one of them up for sale, and a guy in Florida, pretty nice guy actually.
I don't know what your idea of a good time is, but this ain't it. We are just getting hammered.
Well, I can't do it while the wind's blowing, honey. I can't do it while the wind's blowing. It'll just lead to poor sound quality.
We're gonna have to wait till Wednesday.
Nope, we'll do it right now. Anyways, this guy got a hold of me from Florida. He saw my ad, and I just put one of them up there, and I said I'd make it pretty much complete. And a guy got a hold of me, and he wanted that one and another one. Problem was, the 2 that he wanted had the clamshell rear doors. The one that I was going to wind up with had the barn doors, which is okay. But my carryall has the clamshell doors, and one of the reasons I bought all these Suburbans was my clamshell doors all rotted out at the bottom. But you can't go swapping the parts out after a guy buys a vehicle, so I have to man up and do the rust repair on my clamshell door, because I wasn't going to take one of his clamshell doors off and put my old rusty door on one of the trucks that he bought. I'll give you a shot of him. We'll go around, see what he's getting, see what I've got to build my truck when I get my shop finished, which is, it looks more spectacular every day, doesn't it? Well, not every day, but every week, right? Anyways, it's bitterly cold, but the shipper could be coming at any time. And actually, they got to give me 24 hours notice. But if I get out there and spend a couple more hours on them today, I'll have everything loaded up and ready. I've already got the trucks pulled out and lined up in the driveway where they can go straight up onto the trailer. I've got aired up tires on all 4 corners of both trucks, which is very helpful. And I got to put a windshield in one. Anyway, I'll take you with me, and I'll show you what we got and what we need to get and what we're going to be left with. Anyway, thanks for coming back to the channel. If you like what you watch on our channel, please remember to like. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell.
Ding.
And hit the notification bell.
It's cold.
I'm just trying to think if I forgot anything. The Polaris is working out great for on the gathering parts. I put all my tools in the trailer behind it, and heavy parts and floor jacks and stuff. I don't have to pack all over. I still got to lay in the gravel. But the
Good
shop's...
thing we had it too, because I had to go rescue him when he got stuck over there.
Well, yeah, I got stuck in my tractor over on the island, but I could see Jamie, and I said, honey, get the Polaris and come save me, because it was almost dark, and I was taking you to a very nice dinner at a very fine establishment for Valentine's Day. Because I love you.
I love you too.
Just checking. Just checking. Nah. Peace out. Classic Truck Rescue. Today, we're headed out for a local pickup. A few weeks ago, I went and checked out a guy named Eric's inventory, and he had 3 1950s Chevy Suburbans. Actually, I had 4, but 3 of them were in the 55 to 59 range, which is kind of what I collect. And I threatened to get all 3 of them from him. We came up with a fair price, and I'm going to get 2 of them today. When deals come along on the rare ones, and the Suburban is a rare one, and you can get those, you gotta get them.
Ooh, don't pull a Jamie. Oh my God, he almost just like ran right into the tree.
That was pretty close.
Whoa, here, I better
Anyway, so that was close. We'll be back when we get out there and get them. We're going to get 2 today, and we'll get the other one on another day, but let's get 2 of them home, right?
Thanks for letting me tag along.
I love having you tag along. Peace out.
Do you remember how we kissed in the kitchen as the coffee pours? By the end my face was sore from your stubble, but I still wanted more. And all the miles that we spent in the air, where we're going I don't care. I'm just so glad that you were there that night in the restaurant, because I got to say, so I'm in love with you, what are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you, what are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured. You are water in the desert, my fox, my missing puzzle piece. Make me feel loved, protected, what we could talk forever.
Yeah, they do. I don't know. They do.
The air goes in.
The truck goes up.
Here, you need a hand? I'm trying to give Rick a hand.
You funny. You very funny. You make me laugh. I go ha ha.
How did I get so lucky? So I say it again and again. So I'm in love with you, what are we gonna do?
All right, folks, we're gonna test out our
This was the only
Ookie
one
tech.
you wanted to get. What about the back one?
Make me feel loved and treasured, water in the desert, my fox, my missing.
Why'd they stop airing the tires up?
I don't know.
Make me feel loved.
Guess I'm just silly.
There's still air in the tank.
Yeah?
It's coming up.
Making out on the back of that bridge, no bikes in there to interrupt us. Your favorite spot behind my ear.
Oh, because you want to do another review on your
Sometimes
Ookie
Jetaway.
tech. Ookie tech.
I hope I never.
There we go.
I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do?
Oh, that one's got a V8 in it too. That's a factory V8.
Feel loved and treasured. You are water in the desert. My fox, my missing puzzle piece. Protected, or we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do?
Sweet.
So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do now?
That little generator's coming in pretty handy right now. We've gotten lucky with 2 of the tires. That's good enough to get it home. I'm gonna see what happens back here. We gotta haul this one next, so we might as well see what it's gonna do. I'm gonna let the compressor build up. I'm gonna let the compressor build up, honey. Okay, honey, can you help me steer this one?
I totally scored.
We could sit on the ranch, the blue cheese. You good? Got your seatbelt on? Is it in neutral? No shifter? Yeah, we're dragging her. Something looks really weird back there. Something's dragging. Oh, what's that? What is that? Oh, the spare tire carrier. Nice. Very nice. Huh, wonder how we get off of that. We just keep going, folks. That's what we do.
Tires lined up?
Yep, well, you're getting there. keep an eye on this spare tire carrier. Oh yeah, nice. Nice to have you with us. Nice to have you aboard. Okay, should roll a lot better now. Oh, we got a problem, Houston. Come on, sweetie. Thank you.
Sorry,
Thank
such
you.
a pain.
Thank you, little sweetie, for all your help. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Oop. Okay, you let go now. Let go. Oh, nice. Oh. Hey, the air compressor's still running. Our Uki tail's doing its job. Still 84% charged, honey, and it aired up 8 tires. What? That's pretty cool, huh? All right. Alrighty then. Oh, yeah, this is a pretty good little device. Handy to have. Aired up all 8 tires with this, and it's still 84% charge. Very handy. These quarter panels are actually in pretty decent shape. Those are in very good shape though. This is usually rotted out. Oh. You all right, sweet? Thank you. Why don't you go sit down? Love you. Oh,
He's traveling down the road on.
no. What are the odds of us getting 3 in one spot, too? That's awesome. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could've swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. Southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started out a full house, ended up just me and good old James. I could've swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moonshine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again.
This guy. I got a brand new grill. It's chrome, but I'm coming through.
Holy cow, it's like driving a brick down the road, right? Wow.
Look at the steering wheel's right on the window.
Yeah, you don't want to hit anything in that puppy.
I want to talk to Candy Cane.
Do you know where I can find Candy Cane?
Oh, look, he's got their requisite
Oh, yeah.
Mud flap chick.
That's Floyd. Floyd
Oh.
and Sue Adam.
I guess I better see if you need a window down over here.
Floyd and Sue drive this rig. They're all stuff for Pat Howard.
Yeah.
Brewery.
Is that what they're doing, honey? I do like these mirrors. Keys in the ignition, honey. This one's got door panels and uh-oh.
These things are runner, I bet.
The window's locked up.
I don't need a window.
Steering wheel's fastened though. Make sure she's in neutral. Oh, it's got a Hurst shifter boot, honey. This is a high performance machine here.
Woo!
Pretty solid above the windshield.
Make sure there's no buttons in my seat. It's gonna bite my
Okay,
butt.
I'll do that.
Okay, I'm getting in.
Well, wait, you want to wait till I get it hooked up? I mean, you can get in now. If you just want to. It's got a gas tank in it too. Right on. Okay, honey, can you go hit that button for me? I'm gonna have you yard this one in. So keep your thing. Okay, take up the slack.
You met another and he was gone.
Oh, look at the custom gauge bezels. This was quite the hot rod in its day, folks. Look at that.